Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a new weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 11th of September 2023 and the week will end on Friday 15th of September 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made good trading decisions in the previous week. I have clearly given all of the setups to all of you, and I'm sure enough you must have at least made 500 to 600 pips of profits on the previous analysis. I will be showing you right here on the charts, but before that my friends, Forex is always about patience and controlling your emotions. Once you do that, you will be completely successful and you will be on the right direction of the market. Along with these things, you definitely will need a strategy, right? So work on your strategy, practice the levels that I'm giving you more and more and more and more, and practice will make you very perfect. Up there on the screen you can see that the quality of practice determines the caliber of your performance. So the rest, that depends on you if you want to practice more or not. So but if you want to be successful, you have to practice more and more and more. So right here on the dollar index, what was my point of view last week? Let me share with all of you. I will not be obviously going into the complete trading plan of this previous one, but one thing I want to tell you that this is a very nice trend line, and on the basis of it I have clearly identified this impulsive wave. And then in the previous video last week I have clearly mentioned 105.378, which is not exactly yet completed, but the market moved decently towards that zone. So what was the case or what was the situation last week? Market was stuck right here at the resistance. What I said, if we get any buy setup right here, this will be going for a breakout, and if we get a reversal setup, it is going to be coming back down to complete this 61.8% retracement and 802.603. I also have told you that don't trade dollar index, just identify the wave on this one and then do it on the gold US dollar, euro US dollar, dollar yen, and these other pairs which has correlation and anti-correlation with the dollar index, because this is the most important indicator for the gold trader, for the euro trader, for the pound dollar trader anyways. So market was right here. There were two case scenarios. If the market drops with a good amount of volume, then it will be suggesting a drop. What it did is it no doubt dropped. Let me clearly zoom in the chart a little bit. So it no doubt dropped right here, if you can see, during this zone, and it cannot for some reason continue back down because most of the bulls were taking profits, and I was already having a bullish opinion all the way from right here, because I usually focuses on C to D leg most of the time. If you see, or if I show you, just have a look at it. From right here, this is the A, this is the B to C, and right here it was, and from right here this is going to be the this is the C, this is the D, and D has yet to be completed right here. So stay with me, I will be discussing it. Definitely we have right here at this present moment we have got a break of structure, plus on the daily there is very less data on my broker, but still I will try to see what in the upcoming week it can do. So first of all, this level is not yet completely hit by the price, but we can assume that this is now completed, and dollar index must be struggling around 105.378, just like I said. And those of you who took this breakout trade, let me tell you clearly that we have not yet got this retest. So on the retest of 104.235, it will again be showing us an up move towards 105.378, 115 pips of up move. This broken level no doubt will be so much important for us to see. And right here I want to discuss this bullish momentum a little bit. Bullish momentum, remember my friends, when bullish momentum forms at resistance zones, I personally don't rely on that too much, but right here if you see, a candle, star right here. We have morning, evening, whatever star you call it. But this market right here, if you see a star and then one candle, two, and then the three. Similarly, right here a star and then the candle closes below this, then this one, then market struggled to drop but it couldn't, then this one. So there is a very weak bullish momentum with us, and that indicates that if the market reaches 104.378, it will be dropping from there. Let me highlight this area for all of you right here. 105 is clearly a consolidation zone, may form there, then we will be looking for a sell opportunity toward 104. Not a sell opportunity, but obviously the correlation on those other ones as well. So right here 104.253 can be a good buy zone with just 40-50 pips of stop loss, and the TP can be 105.378. if the market continues straight from up there, do nothing, don't take any buy trade, do nothing. I'm repeating, do nothing, just wait for this zone, and if it start to consolidate right here, then that will be a good sign that okay, it is now coming back down to 104.175. and maybe if the week is too strong, it can also indicate this Fibonacci, and from there the Fibonacci will be right here near 103.906. so I will be quickly having a look at this zone as well. And if we see, very nice rejection right here, so a good 156 pips drops will be expected from there. From right here I'm having no opinion. Yes, during the week if it come back down, before it touch that and it come back down, then that will be a good buy opportunity. Look for the gold, euro dollar, pound dollar, and it will make the image clear for you. You will be able to easily trade those setups. So this was the dollar index. The last week I have discussed it. Even those traders who traded it will definitely be like, since the 2 weeks I'm discussing it all the way from 102.80, and before that I was discussing this thing. So I'm sure you must be liking my strategy, and this is like a 99% accurate strategy. You can say up to 100% it works, but let's say if it works even 90% of the time, then that depends on the trader, if the trader find trading setups near those levels or not. The levels works very nice. Moving on to the gold US dollar, this is a lot of plans going on since yesterday. What specifically last week I said, market was right here, if you remember. What I said is I was completely looking for a sell opportunity. I was completely bearish on the gold towards 1911, though 1911 it did not came, and 1916, 1915 it tried to stop right here. Even yesterday I have discussed it that I'm looking for from 1920. There was a 89 pips of setup. I will be giving you the link of the video in the description. This is a weekend, so I highly recommend you a 38-minute video. I have explained this whole pattern for all of you so that you can understand and you can learn these levels and you can make it for your own self. You should be doing these things with your own self. You have not to be dependent on someone else. And sometimes when you learn these things, you can give some good advices to your mentors as well, that hey mentor, this level you have forgot, please check it. I hope you get my point. So right here yesterday 82 pips I have got on the news. I discussed in that video. I was a little bit of, obviously honestly speaking, disappointed as well, because I was looking for 1939 yesterday in the day trades, right? That is a different story. But for now, as I was on this sell 307 pips, it gave you easily. My friends, what else do you want? Why then you, when I see these weekly setups, then I say why the day traders are keep losing on regular basis. The weekly setups, just let me tell you, those traders, if they saw my video or if they saw someone else's analysis somewhere they read, this was a very nice sell zone. So why at a sell zone? Because the market entered all the way from right here. I'm covering this story all the way from right here, most of you know. So when it went up there, it started to consolidate. 1947 was anyways a very nice sell opportunity, and the market dropped. So if you did not took this weekly trade, why? Just ask yourself why you didn't took these trades, right? So right now, for the upcoming week, what opinion I have, obviously since yesterday I was looking at it, and even I have mentioned it clearly that uh, I am like looking for this move today. But yesterday we had no exact enough data, fundamental data. So the market then stopped. This level was anyways discussed as well. So you have to look at the things. We all have to look at the things very realistically. And in the 30-minute video yesterday, what I discussed is these levels, that at each and every step how we have to take it very carefully. And just like right here from 1922, let me actually show you that on the M5. That was a day trade, but anyways, where was that? Right here it was. See this one, a drop, and everyone was thinking that it's now going to complete that 1939, but it did not. So when I say take each and every step carefully, it means this 79 pips it gave. Don't be too greedy. Why? Because we are entering into a resistance zone, a very strong one right here. Just have a look at it, right? Just have a look at it. And if we talk in terms of gold, the difficulty level on this one is a little bit hard, but from a tiny move like from right here, it just gave 94 pips in a blink of an like even in 5-6 seconds, I should say. You took a trade without getting against you a straight 80 pips of profit you made. So I was discussing this bullish wave, but since this is now stopped right here, and on the H4 if I see, we even have got a break below this trend line, and I will be like keep adjusting it a little bit, but since this breakout is not yet enough for me. And 1904, I'm looking to the downside of the market. In the upcoming week there will be two case scenarios, and you can do that: a buy from right here towards 1937.39, a break below from here, a straight down move towards 1904, even a break below that, and a straight move down towards 1884. Very simple, my friend. Just look at these levels and find your good trading opportunity. Those traders who want to take buy trades can take buy trades, will make, even if you make 100-200 pips from the market, still that is more than enough, right? So still it is showing me 1939, and in the upcoming week I will be looking for either the failure of this setup. I will be able to say something, because if this fails, then it's going down, and it will be going down towards the reset of that, if it breaks 1910 or 1911 in the week. So this gold US dollar, I will be daily following it, even in the daily forecasts as well. Euro US dollar, my friends, if you see last time what I said was market exactly closed last week on Friday, where the market closed right here. And what I said, if the market go back, take a bounce off from the previous level 1.08141, 1.08036, even we have got candlestick confirmations right here. So what else do we want? A very nice and fantastic drop till 118 pips, 1.06868. And this level, if I show you this on the daily, this was one ABCD pattern right here with us, which is going to be completed exactly near 1.06455, and from there I will be completely getting bullish, most probably, if I don't get any sort of a break below. In the week ahead, maybe another pullback, if it occurs, can give us some nice profits. Let me delete some of these lines which I don't need, obviously, so that I also don't need these period separators. So let's delete them. Let's delete this Fibonacci as well, so the image becomes a little bit clear to us. Okay, so this is the whole situation, and in the upcoming week 1.08036 can again be either a breakout zone, because from right here, if we get this retest, the drop towards 1.06, but if it gives a breakout and a retest, then I will be looking towards 1.09501. Very very simple, but a little bit of patience is required from all of you, and I'm sure if you induce this patience thing in your trading, you will become a very very nice and good trader. I promise you that. Practice is the key. Moving on to the dollar yen. Last time what I said this is going to be a very very nice zone. First of all, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. What I said last week, market was on which impulsive wave? Market was on this impulsive wave right here, pointing towards the first attempt. It did right here, the second attempt it did right here, and seems like it is completed at 148. From a long time I was looking for it as well. Then what I said in the previous video, obviously if you get this pullback, we have got a pullback of the Fibonacci. You know, Fibonacci strategy works most of the time, but the problem is this Fibonacci gave this another level with us right here that indicates towards 148.325. so this is going to be a very very nice and solid and beautiful sell area for me. Here I will make a separate video that the long-term aspect of the dollar yen I will be explaining, because last year in 2022 September, October, November, it was doing something the same. Let me actually show you. I guess this was 2020, this was last year. Where is 2022? Here it was doing this thing last year as well, and if you see breaking almost the high, and right here it is now again there. So let's see, a drop is expected, but if it doesn't, and if the drop is going to expect till which point we can expect the drop, the drop, remember, will be 141.474, and I'm sure that will be going to a very very nice trading decision. We have got an initial sign right here. If you see in the week, this was also one setup, 284 pips it was giving me, and the stop loss was 50 pips. So unfortunately those who took this one, 54 pips of their stop loss is gone. Then they take this one upon confirmation, and around with a stop loss of 80 pips. Just count the number of pips, how much it is. It is 189 pips. So this way you have to manage your trade. So on the dollar yen, I see a drop. Even right here it has rejected, so it's fine if you take it from here, if you take it from here, the weekly trade, and for 2 3 4 weeks or maybe 2 months it will be open, and we will be achieving those long-term targets right here at 141.474. Don't look for buy at this particular moment. Even if it go further up, we cannot take a buy, because definitely we need confirmations, and the confirmation will be a breakout, retest, and the continuation. Dollar CHF, last time what I said right here exactly did the same. Right here the analysis is present. So where was the market? 1 2 3 4 5, the market was right here, and since then when I said it's going up 111 pips, it went back up, which is now trading at the previous zone, previous Fibonacci. No doubt the Fibonacci on the daily is suggesting a very very further drop, but this drop will be very very big. So what I say, let me delete these lines for now. There is a very very simple thing that I want to tell you. So the simple thing is, and let's switch to the H4 actually. This is, see, a very very nice triple touch. We also have seen such pattern on the gold, and then the market rallied up, triple touches up there. So if it is going to drop, it will definitely be going to drop towards right here 61.8% retracement. If you want to understand my strategy, I have a lot of videos on my channel, and just have a look at it. We have got a breakout, a retest, a continuation, and resistance as well. So this is going to be a very strong level for looking buy opportunities for there. If you are looking to sell, maybe or in the intraday and day trades, I can update you about it. But remember everyone, day trading, intraday trading, majority of them are not making good profits, my friends. Try to become weekly trader and just see the amount of relaxation you get in the market and the amount of happiness it will be giving you. Weekly forecast and weekly trading, that is like the virtual psychological gold, I should say. This is very fantastic if you trade the weekly time frames. If anyone is interested in these higher time frame setups, believe me, they are full of profits, and right here I'm teaching you these things. But if you want to learn my technique very quickly, this is my WhatsApp, and in 3 months I will make you a master of this thing, and you will be doing it for yourself and you will be making nice profits, right? So this is the WhatsApp number. If someone is interested, do contact me. Moving on to the pound dollar, I'm not interested in it. Even last week I didn't said anything about it. 1 2 3 4 5, this drop was obviously expected, and I'm exactly not interested in it. See, very smaller candles right here on the H4. And one other reason I'm not interested in it, that on the euro dollar and on the pound dollar, things are moving the same way. So why we are putting all of the eggs in one basket? So just skip pound dollar for now for this week. But yes, if someone has trades, I clearly see it dropping towards 1.23065, right? Dollar CAD, what I said last week and before that week, like since 2 weeks, this is the third week starting now, and this impulsive wave 191 pips I have discussed, but I clearly mentioned to leave the trades at 139 pips of profit. What is so difficult in these things, my friends? Nothing. See how much stop loss this one has around 50 pips of stop loss most probably, and then we moved it right here and see. So now it is clearly on the daily time frame in this sell zone. But remember that dollar index impulsive wave, we have to discuss, we have to look at that during the week if we are looking for further sell opportunities. Now I want to follow this story towards 1.33535 to the bottom side. The target 1 will be 38.2, and obviously the target 2 will be 61.8% retracement. And again from right here we will be looking for buy opportunities, but that will be a little bit long term. So let's see what in the upcoming week it gives us. I'm personally holding a sell, and till this level things will get clear to me. Total 5 trading days we have, and we have to divide our time, effort, psychology, and invest separately on these instruments. Then we will be getting, my friends, some good trading decisions. Most of the traders, when come to the chart, they say we will just sit in front of the PC, we will take a trade, and immediately we will be taking profits. Every time that's not the case. If you want to do that, you can do that on the gold US dollar. I have uploaded a 38-minute video. Make sure to check out, full of information, and gold US dollar can give you that. That is a complete separate strategy. So if you want to subscribe for that, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number also, and clearly mention that you are interested in the weekly setup, because personally I am a weekly trader and I like weekly trade setup. So yes, dollar CAD, this is what it is. Very simple. And if it breaks above, I will not be like my stop loss will be hit, and I will not be interested in any sort of buy at this particular moment. Moving on to the Aussie dollar, US dollar. Last week what I said right here was at a support, and I said you can take a buy. You did. You made 52 bips of profit. Where did you close your position? At the previous support level, and I said it is going to retest that. What it did, it exactly retested it. But let's say you didn't took this buy trade, you took this sell trade, 46 pips. But remember, if you took this sell trades, congratulations for this 46 pips of profit. But you did a little bit of wrong thing. Why? Because on the bigger time frames, market is trading near the support zone, and you took a sell trade. This is a mistake, and most of the traders get stuck. So yes, I either have to look for a buy positions right here or any solid break below, then I will be looking for sell towards 0.62866. Yes, if you took this sell with your stop loss above this zone and you took it very long term, that's fine. But otherwise, if you are just a weekly trader and you took it, it is further coming down to 0.62866 and 0.61696. So let's see to the top side. If we see, there are a lot of the levels, and I think now it's, since it has stopped, gold has also stopped, it cannot break this for the second week. It couldn't break this level, so it is now approaching 61.8% retracement. And let's see, because even let's delete some lines also from right here. Okay, so what I see is a 61.8% retracement, and if the week is good enough, we can get this in just 1 week. So target one near 38.2 maybe, or right here, and then the target two will be right here. Remember, from here the market can also give another retest and then go for a breakout. That depends on you how you trade it. It can go straight up, or it can even not go up there at all. Odds should always be there, and that's why we put stop losses. New Zealand US dollar, my friends, what it did is we took a sell all the way from right here on this double top, and last week what I said, that this is now also going 1 2 3 4 5 for a drop. If a drop occurs, that is going to be towards 0.58387. We got just around how much pips of a drop it is. See, this candle dropped, and this is the confirmation, so we get 66 pips, and then again a retest of the same level and the drop. So let's see what it gives us in the future. There are trend lines and trend analysis videos I will be doing during the week. Remember, they will also be the long term, right? Because the day trading and intraday trading, I see most of the trader loses money, loses money, loses money. So weekly traders now I'm working on, because I know if the traders can get some success with relaxation on the weekly time frame, then what's the purpose of day trading and putting ourselves in so much burden, sleepless nights? No, my friends. So New Zealand US dollar, I just want to be neutral a little bit. Pound yen, what I said last time, what I said, just see what I said last time. Where was the market? Let me clearly see. 1 2 3 4 5, both of the moves it gave, both of the moves it gave. A buy from right here gave 229 pips, and even a sell from there, and a sell from 185.401, 100 pips of stop loss, and a very nice 225 pips of TP. Then it, when it entered in my zone 183.316, 182.90, it again took 152 pips of bounce off. Though I still see that in the upcoming week this is going to happen somewhere closer to these levels. I will be looking if I will be giving this signal to the clients obviously in the group, and that will be indicating, like from right here I'm again looking for a sell opportunity. But let's see what it gives us. If it breaks above, I'm doing nothing. It will just hit my stop loss and the story finish. But if I get a good sell setup right there, I'm definitely going to trade it for another 241 pips. Nasdaq, what I said last week, market gave this pin bar, and after that I clearly mentioned take a sell towards 15113.90. 15113.90 was dropped 4700 points or pips. Then from right here I said you can take a buy. If you took this buy, that was good. And now I also say that this is on this trend line, and either the breakout of it will be so much important for me. On the breakout I'm doing nothing, but on the rejection definitely I will be looking for some these levels, because now the market, my friends, for long term is showing something else. And keep this thing in mind, I will be communicating this to all of you. It is now giving me 14,252. Fundamentals will play a role in this, but this is what it is. and let's see what we can get from it in the upcoming week. So this was the weekly forex forecast, my friends. Nothing like, even if I say that the day trading and the intraday trading, they are not making good profits, I doesn't mean to hurt someone, but I want to save your money, my friends. If you become a day traders, I think those wicks on those, you can make profits, but the burden you are putting on your head, I think that is not something very good. So we have to become weekly traders. 2 3 days if you can hold a trade, you will be getting nice profits. And back in 2016-17, I was doing this weekly trades, right? So then I get a lot of requests that do the day trading. The day trading, my friends, it is complete tension. Okay, so looking forward for some more educational videos in the upcoming week. And if I see some update that I think I should update my audience, definitely I will be updating you about that. But try to become long-term traders. Try to avoid yourself from those wicks, right, where the brokers manipulations, right? Sometimes the spreads goes up down, sometimes the stop loss hit without even the price hitting that. A lot of the things I will make separate videos about it. Thanks so much everyone for your time. Make sure to leave a like, and I will see you next time. Till then, I pray for you, you pray for me, and goodbye.